Hello everyone, draw the lines like this using the hand. Make the print like this by keeping two fingers open and then rest of the fingers closed. Draw the lines now completed by joining it. Make its eyes, nose. So here we are making a robot. Make its wide open mouth like this. Now we will make its body. Draw the lines carefully as we are making. Give the patterns in the same manner as shown in the video. So here its shoulders are ready. Now we will make the patterns on it like this. Color it if you want. You can choose any colors, fill it inside properly, cover it, and your robot is ready. Next, draw the lines like this by keeping 4 fingers open and 1 closed. Now complete it by joining the lines together. So here we are making a barking dog. For that you have to make its mouth open like this, make its teeth and its tongue out like this. Now you have to make its eyes, nose and its back. Draw its legs like this, make its cute tail on its back. Now we can color it if you want and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a yellow color sheet and put some brown dots on it. Make the patterns as shown in the video. So here we are making a giraffe and its neck. Make its face by sticking the paper. Make its ears. Stick it properly. Now stick its eyes and mouth and your giraffe is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, draw the lines like this using the fingers. Now, make the land and the bushes around it. So here we are making the trees. Now we will make its stems and leaves like this. Make the leaves as shown in the video. You can color it if you want. Make a sun on the top and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to make the cute birds flying in the sky like this. Complete it and it's done. Next, we will take 2 sticks and join them to make the frame like this. Stick it. Now use the sellotape to cover it. Now on the back side, we will put the clay like this. Spread it using the fork. Now we will make some flowers and trees. So for that, we will take the clay, make small balls to make the flowers. Now roll it and join it. Now put the white color or yellow color clay in the between to make the flowers. Fix it and it's ready. Next, we will make the beautiful peacock using the hands and the fingers. Make the lines like this. Now on the fingers, we will make the feathers of the peacock. Now in front, make its body and its eyes like this. Make 2 crowns on its head like this. Make its feathers by drawing the lines. Make its legs, color it and it's ready. Next, we will draw the lines like this and here we are making a dog. For that, you have to make its mouth open like this, make its teeth and its tongue. Now complete its body like this, make its legs and a cute tail on its back. Now color it by giving the pattern of a black-white patterns like this on its body and it's ready. Next, draw the lines of the hand like this. Now give the lines like this. So here we are making an ice cream. Make the cone like this and then give it the check lines as shown in the video. You can color it if you want and it's ready. Next, take a pink color paper and fold it in the same manner as shown. Now take another color paper and fold it in the same manner. Paste them together like this. Fix it. Now take a straw and fix them together and tie it using it. So here we are making a butterfly. Now make its antenna using this straw like this and your butterflies are ready. I hope you liked it. You can make more as such. Thanks for watching our video, guys.